YouTube? It's your girl Dayana back with another YouTube video. This is Vlogmas Day 10, and as you can see from the title and as you can see from my hair, I went orange. Your girl got an orange wig. I wanted to do an orange wig in the summertime, but in color wigs, this is the hair, you know. In color wigs, it was like, we're gonna send you an orange wig. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be bold. And I'm gonna just do it. As you see from the title as well, ItsSiloe did my hair. Like, y'all not fucking with my friend. Period. Links will be in the description. They have a little slogan, bring color to life. And that's just basically, that's just what it is. Cause most of the wigs that they sell are like color wigs. I'm showing y'all the orange one right now. That's how it's looking. I had to get used to it. But yeah, like I said, the links to this hair will be in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the hashtag Dayana. If you're not with the gang, you can hang it. And without further ado, let's just start. I came with this headband. I have received this same headband from another company, so I was confused as to why I got the same logo, but it's whatever. And it came with a wig cap.
This one I grab you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that, da. Dada cover my face, calling me da, da. Biggie man, we know they wear da. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the cat, ride the foot. I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the cat, ride the whip. I no feet, die for nothing.
You know the place, I turn up and me and Jason enter the stage.
Can't come and keep my.
It no matter what they do, the blessings still come my way.
I can't come and keep my.
Plenty, girl, we come feel when them ways.
Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
Let me tell you, you shaking everybody, nothing key, slave me wiki. You know we born ready. If you ring, they in your skin. Ambition, working for me. My mission, enslave the money. The girl them, whining for we love them, skin
different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shara Shinapella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen place. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become mission, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the cat, ride the foot. I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the cat, ride the foot. I no feet, die for nothing. Oluwa gonna, this one I grab you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that, da. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we know they wear da. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the cat.
person enter the stage.
Can't come and keep mine.
It no matter what they do, the blessings still come my way.
I can't come and keep mine.
Plenty, girl, we come feel when them ways.
Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
Let me tell you, we shaking everybody. Nothing key, slave me wiki. You know we born ready. If you ring, they in your skin. Ambition, working for me. My mission, enslave the money. The girl them, whining for we love them, skin
different
melanin.
things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat I'm paddling. Shara Shinapella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen pills.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you made it to the end, because I know wig videos, like wig installations, nobody really want to sit through and watch the whole thing. But if you did make it to the end, you're a real one. And drop a unicorn emoji if you made it to the end. No, drop a orange heart emoji if you made it to the end, period. So if you're interested in this hair, it will be a link in the description. And that's really all I gotta say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the hashtag Dayana. If you're not with the gang, you can hang, and I'll see you guys in my next video.